Who's gonna win between this hammer and this $13,000 Rolex? Wait, we're gonna need that, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how keeping track of time can actually help you get a ripped six-pack. You see, there are specific hours of the day where your body is naturally prone to burning stored fat. And once you know how to take advantage of this time frame, you can transform your body into a self-sufficient fat-burning machine. So say goodbye to that bloated belly. And just as there are specific time frames in the day that are ideal for fat burning, there are specific time frames associated with fat storing too. I call these the belly bloat hours. Now, being able to identify the ideal fat burning time frame isn't that hard. You can take advantage of your natural fat burning state all by simply practicing something called intermittent fasting. Fasting is simply going a set period of time without eating. During the time frame when you're in your fasted state, your body has no choice but to utilize fuel that already has stored for energy, and that fuel that it prefers to burn is stored body fat. But you can't just recklessly starve yourself for hours and hours or even days and expect to see results. You've got to be strategic about how many hours you fast for, which is where a watch can really come in handy. So instead, you need to follow the science-backed fasting periods that are proven to accelerate fat loss. And if you want to skip ahead to check out the fasting schedule that I use, just head over to my website, SixPackAbs.com right now. There I posted a free fasting video seminar that breaks down the exact timeframes you should fast for and eat for so you can burn body fat and get into the best shape of your life. Now let me be clear, I'm not trying to show off how fancy of a watch that I have here. In fact, this was actually a gift from a client of mine who completely transformed his body using my fasting timeframes. He figured that his results were priceless. So in return, he thought a rare timepiece would be the perfect way to show his gratitude, since his results really came from being able to monitor his fasting hours. Now, right now you might be wondering, what's the deal with the hammer fake out? Well, let's just say the hammer represents how the majority of people eat every day, and the watch represents the metabolism. You see, most people are eating on and off during the day, or worse, binging out followed by severe calorie restriction. These common eating patterns cause your insulin hormone, the fat-storing hormone, to be elevated constantly. And when this hormone is elevated, your body will never be able to achieve its primal fat-burning state. So for this reason, it's imperative that you give your body a solid break from eating so that you can get your insulin levels low enough for your body to turn to stored body fat for fuel instead of the new foods that you're putting in your body every single time you eat. All in all, most people who are trying to lose weight are actually neglecting the built-in fat-burning machinery that every human body is equipped with. But by simply fasting for a set amount of hours, you can allow your metabolic machinery to work at its full potential. When you're fasting, you're freeing up energy that your body would otherwise be spending digesting and breaking down foods. And instead, that energy goes towards recovery, cellular regeneration, mental sharpness, and yes, that good old-fashioned body fat mobilization, aka fat burning. So do yourself a favor and give intermittent fasting an honest try. There's no work required. All you need to know is how long to fast for in order to experience maximum fat loss results. And fortunately for those of you watching right now, I posted my full-length fasting video seminar to my website, which covers the details on the perfect fasting timeframes to utilize to achieve your best condition yet. So just head on over to SixPackAbs.com right now to get started. I'll see you there.